What's up, Project Home Growers? It's Wednesday, Trout Day. I'm very excited, nervous at the same time. Me and my buddies, Emilio and David, we've been working very hard to get things to where they are now. And it's time to get ready. There's one or two consumables that I just need to get from the shop today, just to make sure that we geared up for the transplanting. Out of everything that we did not get any form of nets, which we will need, because we will need to count out the fingerlings as we transplant them into the different fish tanks. So I'm quickly going to get us that, and then we will be rocking. Then we're just waiting for the delivery, guys. Okay guys, just got off the phone with the fisheries. They already left. They should be here around 11:30, 12 o'clock, they say. So far the driver knows where he's going. Let's see how it goes. So within the next 2 to 3 hours we would be stocking our fish. So I'm not exactly sure how the unloading of the fish is going to work. With my entrance, it's quite a bit a distance from where they will be able to get in. So what we'll do is we'll probably net out the trout on the delivery van, and then from there we will transport it in the nets, place it in these buckets, and then from there we will count it out into the different fish tanks, making sure not to mix the sizes and not to waste any unnecessary time. So I just took a piece of black irrigation pipe, connected it to the end of that nozzle, closed the valve, placed it into these two buckets and just filled it up with water. It's water from our aquaponics system in the fish tanks, obviously. What we'll do is we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure, this is just in case. Maybe we'll use this as a temporary in between when we're counting out the fish. We'll see how it goes. This is just a bit of prep work. Vanuit vermiculite wanneer je nou doet achteraan. Just let's go back to the other one en dan gaan uitspringen. Morgenoggend komt ze door plus wat uitgespringen.
Take this one.
Okay. Jy wil hê die blokkie moet op wees dit wat jy record.
Moet ek recorder?
Hy record klaar.
Ja.
So, jy moet hierso kyk. Kyk. Oh. Project Dime Growers, it's quarter past 12 and all the fish is offloaded. Here and there is a fish that looks like it got a little bit of damage, but all in all it went well. He tested our water temperatures. Our water temperatures are 16.9 and the dissolved oxygen levels in each tank is 7.9. So he says our oxygen looks good, our water looks good, and he's happy with what our water looks like, and I am happy with what our trout looks like. There's two sizes. It's the 4-inch and the 7-inch. I'm pretty sure here and there's quite a few that's maybe 8 inches, 9 inches. They're not 9 inches, definitely 8 inches. And straight off the bat, we will definitely have to cover these boys up with the hoods because they are jumping. And because our tanks have quite a bit of depth to them, they will definitely be able to generate quite some velocity, and they will definitely jump out if we leave them open at all. Alright, we're gonna enjoy the scenery a bit and have a look around and see what our fishies do. We're gonna fishy now, and we'll tell you if there's something new.